Hi, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and this is an unboxing of the Love Oracle by Christephania. I have actually used this deck in May's readings, so if you've looked at your tarot scopes, then you will actually be mildly familiar with maybe a few of them. Okay, so this is a brand new to the store. I think it's been out for a couple of months as of, what are we, the 1st of May today, so happy birthday. No other topic is asked about as often in card readings as love, and I can assure you that's absolutely true. We wish for simple statements, and yet our decisions, longings, hopes, ideals, and also difficulties are often based on so much that is misunderstood and undiscovered. Christephania's Love Oracle helps you to uncover your deeper motives and intentions. There are 40 cards, unusual dreamlike collages, and they open up intuitive levels of your soul. Each card deals with a fundamental aspect in couple relationships. In this comprehensive book, Christiane Neumann explains the creative use of the cards, gives numerous examples and explains patterns. She interprets each card in detail, shows you how you can use the cards to understand your situation. Now, obviously, you don't intuitively know all how to do that. It's with the book. So the book is quite sizable, A5 size, there or thereabouts. And inside it, she literally goes through everything you will need in order to be able to use the cards, or the symbols, some spreads, so what spreads you can do if you want to overcome any blockages. Or it genuinely is one of the most commonly discussed topics, where the path leads us, the cards and the map and the compass. And then she just goes into the cards, and each of them is numbered, and you have a meaning and then a love meaning, a behind the scenes. So there are various interpretations that you can make for each card. And at the very back you've got an overview of the symbols and this beautiful artwork. It's a really gorgeous deck. So let me go through the cards, each of the cards with you, because I obviously only went through a few with them during the reading. So they are gilded, like a bronzy colour really. They're very, very beautiful. C on the back of them all. So this is the back on each and every one of them. When you first go through the card, you have to they're quite stuck together, but they're not now because I've been through them a few times. So if that happens, if you do get them, then so I'm going to pop them down here, because I remember somebody said to me you can't actually read the bottoms because my camera's so close up. So you've got responsibility, I'm struggling to do that though. I'll put them down here. That was my cat snoring. He's on the desk and he wants to come on this table, and I keep trying to convince him. He's pretending to be asleep. I love the collage. They feel really solid as well. They're a good card. I'll show you in a second. The Cupid. Trust issues. So these are almost like issues, aren't they? And secret longings, and the steps we need to take to restore our faith, and all those sort of things. Isn't that gorgeous, the deck? The dress, rather. Look, so pretty. I do like Christephania's work, I must admit. I'm a fan for her art. She's done a few other decks that we've got in store, so I'll pop those on the description so you can see the others that she has. And that's it, 40 cards. Now, they are very good quality, size wise, decent size. very, very easy to shuffle. She says, throwing them everywhere. Very, very easy to shuffle. I'll just do one card now to show you. Let's just pick a random card. There we go, your message. Wisdom, number 10. Let me read you what they say about number 10. So number 10 is key themes, inquire deeper meaning. Oh, yes, inquire deeper meaning. Allow inner wisdom to speak. Show maturity. And then you've got various aspects of it as well. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much for your time. I hope that you please let me know what you think. I hope you've enjoyed the walkthrough or the unboxing. And thanks very much for your time. Bye-bye.